Welcome back to part 4, the final part of our bedroom tutorial series. In this video, we will bring our scenes to life with lighting, materials and rendering. But before we jump into the fun stuff, we need to make few quick adjustments to our scene to ensure everything is just right. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Just press this camera icon to get out the camera view, select this. I think there is some areas it's not correct. Let's press Ctrl R, scale, apply scale, same, Ctrl R, apply scale. Now it's working correctly. Now it looks good. So just select this. I want to make it stylized. Look, it's so straight. So press. I want the origin point in the center. To do that, right click. Set the origin point to geometry, and now press R, rotate the x-axis a little bit like this. Okay, now that looks nice. And select the same, select this leg and right click, so origin to geometry, R, rotate the x-axis a bit. Alright, that looks really nice. Let's go to camera view, and I want to make it this one a little bit bigger, and let's move it somewhere here. Apply scale. I want to make it a little bigger as well, and S to scale to y-axis 2, and apply scale and move it somewhere here, or let's make it smaller. So apply scale, and now I want to also make it this one a little bit bigger and move it up and move it somewhere here. Alright, now let's select the floor and go to edit mode and just select this parts, and let's change its parts a little bit. It gives really nice looking, like different look to our scene. Okay, that looks nice. Now let's go to object mode again. Let's select this all and S to scale a little bit, apply scale. Okay, that looks nice, and I wanna move it down this one a little bit. S to scale to x-axis and apply scale. Alright, everything looks really nice. Now we need new plane mesh. Shift A, mesh, plane, and S to scale it up and move it down a bit like this. Let's select this somewhere here. Now we need a light. Shift A, we need light, we need a real light, and move it up a bit somewhere here. Let's go get out of the camera view from just pressing this icon, move it up. And also let's have to scale it this, and let's switch. We can't see the lights right now because we need to switch this to viewport shading. Okay, and let's go here, and from EV to cycles, we're gonna do it from the cycles, and let's select GP to compute. Okay, and our light source is small. Just select our light and go to light settings, and let's increase its power by 1200. Okay, that looks nice, and let's move it somewhere here. Okay, let's go to camera view, how it looks. Okay, that looks really nice, and I want another light to coming from the window. Okay, to do that we need to press Shift A, light, we need spotlight. Okay, let's move it up. Let's go get out of the camera view and move it somewhere here, move it down, and R to rotate to x-axis, and somewhere here, R to rotate down a bit Let's see in the camera view. How does it look? I think everything looks fine. Let's give it a material first. Select this plane and go to materials property and press new. And base color, we're gonna choose something like this darker color. I like this color. Okay, now let's select our wall and let's give it a new color also. Press new, which is cool. I wanna give it something like this, a darker color. Okay, that looks nice. Let's reduce this sample to 128. Okay, and let's give our floor a color also. Select this, press new, and let's give it this orange color. And I want it to look shiny, so reduce the roughness and increase the metallic a bit. And select our bed legs and apply new color, new, this time darker, and select all the other bed sides. Select this, select, and press Ctrl L to link the materials. Now let's select the bed sheet and press new, and we need to give it a little bit yellowish color. Okay, let's give our pillows the same color. Just select this and choose the material 2. Okay, not 2, I guess it was material 4. And let's select this, our side table, and select all the, okay, all of them, not this one, and select this, and Ctrl L to link materials. Same to this drawers, Ctrl L, link the materials, and I want to give this new darker color. And for the wrist lamp, just select this and let's give it this light yellowish color. And alpha transparent is, let's put it 0.08. Okay, and let's select this, let's give it this black color for now. I wanna give it new texture, image texture to this one. We're gonna put the pirate flag here. Okay, just select the pot, let's give it also this color, and for the plants let's give it green, nice, little bit darker green color. Just select the other leaves and select this one last, and Ctrl L, link materials. And for the clock, let's give it a nice yellowish color. I like this color, and I don't like the edges of our this one. Let's give it subdivision modifier by pressing Ctrl 2, and I think we have to give it also bevel modifier. Just select and move it up, and increase the segment and amount 0.2. Okay, that looks nice. Not nice. Let's go closer, and let's go to edit mode and select these edges by holding Alt and Shift Alt and right click, mark sharp. Okay, let's go to edit mode. Still it's not working. Let's increase the bevel. I want this parts really sharp. Let's go to object mode, let's give it a look at here. Okay, that looks nice now. Okay, let's go to camera view again, and select our frame. I want to give this new material, go here, new, and let's give it darker brown, and let's call it frame. You can change the name here or here. Okay, so now let's select our window. Let's give it also nice brownish color, wood color. Same, just select the material, and to this one let's give it a little bit yellowish color. Okay, for the this one we're gonna use the shading. Just select this and go to shading, and okay, just press new. You can give new materials here, and we need right click. We need to add texture. I need checker texture, and you can connect the color to base color. We get this shape, and let's change one of its color. Color 1, it's gonna be purplish color. I like this purple color. Let's switch to shading mode. Okay, let's see, and to this one let's make it a little bit darker. That's looking nice. Let's make it a little bit darker. Okay, something like this, and let's go to layout. Okay, now next thing, let's give our scene a flag. Let's select this, and let's go to shading, and before that let's go, we have to go to edit mode and select them all by pressing A and press U to UV unwrap. Press U and go to UV unwrap and smart UV project and unwrap it, because I want to give it image texture. So now go to shading, and let's select these faces first and go to here, because I want to apply new new material. Just press, and I want to assign only to this face. We need to press plus and assign. Okay, now we got the new material. Let's press new, and let's give it new image texture, just like this. Or you can go here and texture, we need image texture like this, and connect this, and let's open up our texture. I need flag texture. I'm gonna go use this texture. By the way, you can get my textures on my Gumroad. It's only $1, I guess. I put it in $1. You can get a lot of textures, high quality textures. Just go there and buy it. It will help me to it supports my channel if you buy that. Okay, now select this and go to UV editing and let's go to here and switch to this mode. How do you call it? Viewport shading mode, and select them all, and R to rotate, and G to grab and move it and scale it. Okay, that looks nice. Now let's go to shading mode. All right, that looks nice. Now let's select our frame, and let's give it also new material. We have to assign it, but before that let's go to edit mode and select this face that we're gonna assign it the texture to. I selected this face, and let's select this and assign and press new, and let's give a new texture. To this one, let's give some map. I'm gonna choose this map, and by the way, you can get this on my. Okay, we made a mistake because I didn't UV unwrap this. To do that, just press UV unwrap, smart UV unwrap. Okay, now that looks nice, but it's upside down. Let's fix it. Let's go to UV editing and let's go closer. Let's go closer and select them all. R to rotate it to 190 degree, and let's move it somewhere here, or you can select this and move it down to fit the canvas. Okay, thing like this. All right, that looks nice. And let's go to shading tab. All right, our frame is ready. Now let's make our clock. Same thing, just go to select this, go to edit mode, select this, press UV unwrap, smart UV unwrap. Okay, now we have to give new material and assign a new, and let's go to here, image texture, and open, and we have to open our clock, and I'm gonna use this one. By the way, again, you can get it only for $1. I have 8 of them. Let me show you. Okay, you're gonna get the maps, like a lot of maps, carpets to your scene, flags, fog clocks, wood textures, not leaves yet. I'm gonna edit later because I have to make some adjustments. Woods, sands, trunks. It will make your designs really cool. Okay, for now let's go to clock, and I'm gonna select this clock. Okay, now that looks not right, so let's go to UV editing and select them all. Where's our clock? Let's go here, let's see, and select them all. R to rotate, so we are here, and you see this looks not good. To fix that, let's go to layout, let's get out the camera mode, let's go closer, and let's go to edit mode and select this space. I to insert a bit. Okay, now that looks nice. And let's go to camera view again. One thing, I have to add the one light here. Shift A, light, point light. I'm gonna add the point light and move it up and just here inside. Alright, and I wanna select this light and increase its power because I want some lights coming out from the window. I want that. Okay, like smaller. Okay, and I want to select this point and G. Let's get out the camera mode first. I want it to be a little bit up. So, and this one also a little bit up. Okay, move it down, and alright, that looks nice. Okay, let's go to camera view. Okay, we got this light coming like a moon shining through our window. It's a night, so that looks really nice. And I want to select this and move it somewhere here and move it inside of our lamp. Alright, our scene is ready. Finally, it's time to render our pirate bedroom. Let's go to here and render image. And that's a wrap. Our pirate bedroom is now complete. from blocking out the basics to refining details, adding lighting, and applying materials. If you enjoyed this series, let me know in the comments and share your renders. I'd love to see them. Don't forget to grab your free Blender Hotkey Shortcuts PDF, links in the description, to keep improving your workflow. Thanks for joining me on this pirate adventure. Until next time, happy blending.